everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the dark come to light. Get on my level. Think I'm finna stop going when I turn 27.
Alright, how my champions doing? We're gonna make winning plays every day. Got the Bitcoin All the Coins hoodie on. Bitcoin, right? What else do we see? Dash right there. Another Bitcoin right in the center. Ethereum, Monero. Right? You know how it goes. Want to let everybody know, I know I haven't been putting that much video out. Thing is, been having to take care of some business, and at the same time, you know, I needed, you know, you need to be able to, you know, like interact with yourself, man. And you know, me, you know, I'm big on that. I'm big on making sure your mind is clear, making sure you have, you know, a good focus on the things that you want to do, and you got a clear head and things like that. So you know, that's what that's about. It's gonna be times like that where I tap in with myself and you know, do personal therapy, things like that. You know, had some complications with the vaccine, so I was dealing with that. You know, and caused me a little issues, but I was able to push through that. But it did give me some complications. So you know, don't knock anybody that's you know, pro or not pro vaccine, because you know, there may be complications with the vaccine and things like that. So just keep that in mind. Got some mentor products, right? Some if you want to know what's going on with cryptocurrency, you want to be educated, if you want to know how to zero in on fundamentals, go to the rebranded website, TCPP4V.com. That's 2 P's, right? TCPP4V, TheChampionsPlaybook payforvalue.com. Right, TCPP4V.com. And under the catalog, select mentorship gear, and you'll be able to, you know, it's a very unique program that we got, where you purchase, say you purchase a hoodie or a shirt. Well, that shirt comes with, you know, at least 2 mentor sessions, right, where you get educated on what's going on. Because this is the most incredible time we have for cryptocurrency and how value is exchanged and things like that. So you need to make sure you're educating yourself and you're getting involved in this unique opportunity. Like, don't let this pass you by and say, oh, I didn't know. That's a bad excuse. You not knowing is a bad excuse. So you need to learn what's going on, right? How to get involved in the real estate market with, you know, as little as $100. It's very small to become an investor, and an investor is the apex spot in the business world. And when you're able to become an investor, it's a beautiful thing. But yeah, I wanted to give everybody this update, let everybody know what's going on. Me, I'm good. The Champions Playbook is doing great, building a lot of different things, getting a lot of different things prepared for 2022. Right, I got some special things planned for the people that I worked with this year, and yeah, just want to continue to move forward on that momentum and that energy that I created last year. Well, it was this year. Yes, this year, 2021. But I'm real proud of what the company is doing, what we stand for, what we represent. Got a lot of things prepared. And yeah, we knocked out one of our first mentor sessions with my sister, AJ Lexi. Shout out to you for you know, getting that done. And look forward to you in the future mentor products that we have. Look forward to you getting into the cryptocurrency one, so you can figure out how to make profits in your cryptocurrency. Right? You know about the wallets. You know about Trust Wallet. Right? Gotta get you in the Exodus course. Right? This stuff is huge. Need people to understand how big it is, how big of an opportunity this is, to take advantage, and to really understand what's going on with this. Right? Gonna be working with my brother on a special project. I believe it's the beginning of next year. Real special project. So be on the lookout for that. Right? So some real special things going on with the Champions Playbook, man. Really proud of what we're putting together for the people. Definitely changing lives and inspiring. So always continue to make winning plays. We're gonna keep doing that for sure every day. We're gonna continue to expand on our mindsets and our concepts. Continue to build. We're gonna continue to value our mindsets, right? And we're gonna become investors, right? Because that's the apex position in business. And I'm gonna have videos breaking down with Champions Business Tips why I believe that. Different people want to get on here and discuss different business concepts, ideas. That's what we're all about. So, some real special things going on and going to happen. But I believe my community deserves an update. Definitely, and we're gonna continue to expand, build, and do the things that we're doing. For sure. Gonna explain how powerful dividends are, things like that. You know what I mean? So this is because I know my community is special, and you guys need to know what's going on. So definitely stay focused, stay dedicated, stay a champion in everything that you do. You're special, you're needed to your community, to your people, and don't stop believing. Don't stop creating value. All right, make winning plays. Tapping with you guys. Goatplaybook. Yes, sir.
Check, living my life with no regrets. Ain't tryna impress. We finish it less. No feeling, no ceilings. Touching the sky. I fly over buildings. You said you were healing. The ground I'm tilling. I'm planting the seeds. I'm reaping the millions. Hard labor, yeah, I put in the work. They all